Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to convert PDF to Word in computer. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open a browser, then type here small PDF and hit enter. Open this website smallpdf.com and scroll down. Then you will find this option PDF to Word converter. Click on it, and here you have to drop your files. So I'm gonna drop my files. Here we can see a PDF file, so I'm dragging and dropping it here, and after that select this option convert to Word, and now click on choose option, and here you can see it's converted. Now click on download. After downloading, I'm gonna opening this file. Here is the file, doc file. Now I'm gonna opening it. Also, I'm gonna opening the PDF file so I can show you. So here is my PDF file, and here is the converted Word file. Now I can easily edit the Word file. This is how we can convert PDF to Word. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.